Kundalini doesn't give you a choice, doesn't give you. Here I am giving you clarity on who is the you. The you is the ego, you is the personality, you is the limited mind, you is the conditioning, the robotic you, the artificial you, who has a certain perception of life. And Kundalini doesn't give you the choice to decide for your life. This is because Kundalini herself is the intelligence of the life force in you. The Kundalini that is traveling its journey over millions of years of evolution. You are just one of the forms among the many evolution that has happened so far. And if you feel that you want to change your life, then you have to give the baton in the hands of Kundalini. You cannot decide for your life. You cannot decide because till now you have taken all the decisions of your life. You had a choice and you had been exercising those choices. Those choices are so much limited. Those choices are so much about the worldly things, materialistic thing and everything. The patterns through which Kundalini, the ego works, Kundalini wants to break those patterns. The pattern of the world is so much programmed, so much artificial, so much fake, so much, it's like there is no change in the world patterns even if you are given an opportunity to change that because of the stickiness of the mind energy, the stickiness of the ego energy. The ego energy in you doesn't want to bring any change. The biggest resistance to change is the ego. The biggest obstacle in the path of Kundalini is the ego. And where are these egoic patterns locked? It is locked in your nervous system. It is locked in your neural pathways. It is locked in your muscle memory. It is locked in your subconscious mind. For example, you know that you have to do a certain things in a certain way. For example, you have learned the way of eating food through a fork. Now if I ask you that you need to eat your food by using your hands, it will be very difficult for your mind and ego to understand how can you eat your food with your hands? How can you drink water differently? For example, I can drink water this way also. And I could easily do it. And I can wipe off my hands after drinking water. I could do it. This means that I am spontaneous to life. This means it doesn't matter to me whether I am drinking it the usual way through the glass of water or I am drinking it this way. I am showing it again to you. Now, there was no invention of glass in the ancient times. We are evolved from the matrix from the evolutionary journey where there was no matrix. And we have learned to drink water this way only. We used to drink water coming from the waterfall like this. And maybe like this we had the ancient way of drinking water is like this. And since we are conditioned in such a way, even if the glass of water is in front of you, you will not be able to drink water this instinctive way. And that is the problem with the mind, that is the problem with the ego. And that is why Kundalini doesn't give you the choice because she is the guru. Kundalini herself is the guru who knows that given a choice to the ego, to the mind, means that again coming back to the patterns and the conditioning of the mind which is not ready to break free. For example, I'll just walk around this area, have a look at the nature around, and you will be amazed with the kind of consciousness I have at this moment to show you the uniqueness because I can see with my eyes. I can see with my eyes how beautifully this total space is created with nature around. It is a cafe. Here are some garlic where the garlic are beautifully demonstrated and in its natural form they are looking so beautiful. Then the plant, sitting around this plant, touching this plant. It was my choice to come here. It was not a single person is here in the surrounding. I don't know why. Well, at this moment, the other cafe are surrounded with people. Maybe those who are more prone to addictions, they don't like this silence. This place has certain kind of silence and natural touch to it. There are certain tables made from actual wood. I can see there, and I'll show you. This is made from the trunk of the tree, and these are also trunk of tree. Also, these are all wooden crafted method. This is made of cane. At least there are 1000 varieties of different kinds of plants in this area. And just look at this tree. It is this table made from this trunk of the tree. So beautifully crafted. This is also the trunk of the tree. And if you have not seen cane ever, I will show you the cane. This chair is made from cane, which is again a plant, and I have a lake behind me. Come here, I will show you this table as well. It is also made from raw wood, and it looks so raw. Can you see the texture of the wood? It's raining little bit right now, and have a look at this color of the tree. My message to you is, I want to show you life. I want to show you health. I want to show you to be happy. You just need nothing. You just need to expose yourself, and that is why you need to travel a lot. Just have a feel how you feel under a tree. This you will not feel when you are under a plastic or a place which is filled with artificial matter. I'm speechless at this moment because I got lost in the beauty of this tree. And here also I can show you Ganga Tulsi, which is growing naturally here. This is the Ganga Tulsi. I have shown you in many videos. It is found in the greater Himalayas, means lesser Himalayas, in the green zone. And this coconut kept here like a beautiful combination of so many species of plants and everything. So that is why Kundalini does not give you any choice, because if you are given a choice, you will go to partying and taking yourself to places where most people hang out. Kundalini has taken me to this natural place where there are only few people. They are also coming, they are going, they are not disturbing other people, and this is what my teaching to you is. So that's all for now. Have a feel of this gateway towards the lake, and I will say bye-bye. Bye. I will enjoy my time here eating consciously, and the wind has also come. So nature is supportive to make me feel first, and then you can feel with me. Bye-bye.